why does the narrative communication approach work? Why is it important? So storytelling is a combination of a logical structure plus emotional connect. As we saw, that following that star technique will help us have a very structured format, and it also helps us to be relatable, to be it shows the employer that we have an emotional connect with that story. So storytelling is important for your audience because it makes them interested and makes them want to learn more about you. Okay, so think about a particular movie, about a particular thing. We might not remember that skill or what we were taught in a class or anything. But if we see a YouTube video for it, we will remember it. We all have been knowing that we remember movies only because we can visualize them. So storytelling is a way of how you can convey your work, your previous experience in a very visual format to the audience. Research shows that stories are 22 times more memorable than simply reciting a bunch of facts because they actually make us use our brains differently. Emotional connection, imagery, and narrative makes the material easier to learn and remember. So, next slide.